Safer frying oils and alternative cooking methods. Hello everyone. Opting for safer frying oils and exploring alternative cooking techniques can enhance the healthiest of your meals, especially if you are fond of the taste of fried foods. Here's how you can make healthier choices. Choosing healthy oils. The choice of oil significantly impacts the health risks associated with fried foods. Certain oils can endure higher temperatures, making them safer options. Generally, oils rich in saturated and monosaturated fats are more stable when heated. Consider using coconut, olive, and avocado oil for frying, as they are among the safest and most stable options. Coconut oil. Coconut oil may be a good choice. Studies have shown that even after 8 hours of continuous deep frying at 365 Fahrenheit, 180 degrees centigrade, its quality still remains acceptable. Over 90% of the fatty acids in coconut oil are saturated, making it resistant to heat. Experts don't agree on the benefits and drawbacks of using saturated fats. Mainstream organizations such as the American Heart Association trusted source recommended limited intake of saturated fats to 5 to 6% of total calories. However, various studies have concluded that saturated fats may not increase the risk of heart disease. When choosing coconut oil, bear in mind that some varieties can leave a flavor or smell that not everyone enjoys. It's best to try a few brands until you find out that's suitable. With over 90% of saturated fatty acids, coconut oils exhibits excellent heat resistance. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats. Its resistance to heat because like animal fat, it's high in monosaturated fatty acids. These have only one double bond, making them relatively stable. In one study, researchers used olive oil in a deep fryer for over 24 hours before it oxidized excessively. In theory, this makes it a great choice for deep frying. However, the flavor and fragrance of olive oil may deteriorate when heated for a long time. Predominantly composed of monosaturated fats, olive oil is relatively stable for high temperatures cooking. Avocado oil. Similar in composition to olive oil, avocado oil boasts exceptional heat tolerance, making it ideal for deep frying. While these oils can mitigate some risks associated with fried foods, it's essential to note that they are the most stable for frying, not necessarily the most nutritious overall. Avoiding unhealthy oils. Steer clear of cooking oils abundant in polyunsaturated fats as they are less stable and can generate acrylamide when exposed to high heat. Examples include canola, soybean, cottonseed, corn, sunflower, grapeseed, and rich bran oils. Despite being common in restaurants, due to their affordability, it's advisable to avoid using them for deep frying at home. Using these oils for deep frying can result in large amounts of oxidized fatty acids and harmful compounds. Exploring alternative cooking methods. Consider alternative cooking techniques such as oven frying and air frying. Oven frying involves baking foods at high temperatures, 450 Fahrenheit, to achieve crispiness with minimal or no oil. Air frying. Air fryers don't actually fry. Instead, the food goes into a perforated basket and the machine cooks the food by blowing hot air around it. The force of the air produces a convection effect that cooks and browns the exterior of the food in the basket. It utilizes hot air circulation to fry foods, resulting in crispy exteriors and moist interiors to traditional frying while using 70 to 80% less oil. Key takeaway: regular consumption of foods fried in unstable oil can pose various health risks, including diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Therefore, limiting or avoiding commercially fried food is advisable. Instead, explore alternative cooking methods and incorporate healthier fats into your culinary endeavors. Vegetable oils that are high in polyunsaturated fatty acids are unsuitable for deep frying. They are less heat resistant than oils or fats that are high in saturated or monosaturated fatty acids. Like and share your thoughts in the comment section. Do subscribe to get notified for such informative videos. Have a great time.